Hi, I'm Anthony DeSalvo, and I'm a junior here at Davenport North High School.
I'm McCreery. I teach life sciences at North High School. I've been here for 13 years. I currently teach the environmental science dual credit class, AP biology, genetics, and basic bio.
I'm the junior class president. I'm a member of National Honor Society, Joy Club. I'm a football player, and I'm a baseball player. North is really the place to be right now in terms of both athletics and academics, because not only did our football team go to playoffs for the first time ever, our baseball team has gone to state 3 of the past 4 years, and our coach just got MAC Coach of the Year. Well, I am a member of Joy Club, and it's a whole lot of fun. It's an after-school activity. We do different volunteer things, like earlier this year we packed meals for Syrian refugees over in Europe, so that was really nice. Well, my fight for funding has taken me to Des Moines twice now, once my sophomore year and once my junior year. My sophomore year, it was a very small group of kids, and we all wore the white worthless t-shirts. And we got to talk to a lot of legislators, both in the House and the Senate, about what we felt was right in terms of equitable funding. And then this year, my junior year, we went up on a school bus trip. So we had a lot bigger of a crowd this time, and we actually got to sit with the governor and speak with him on these issues. A really big part of my high school life here at North has been the dual graduation program. What the program is that you take college classes that count for both high school credit and college credit. So with all the credits that I'm going to get, by the time that I graduate, I'll have both an associate's degree and a high school diploma. All 40 of us in my class, applied our freshman year, and so there's 2 split classes of us, but we all know each other and we're all really good friends. And so if there's a big test coming up, we can study for it together. If we're working together on a project, we've known each other for 3 years now, and so we know each other's strengths and weaknesses. We know how to work with one another better than we would in a regular high school class where we don't maybe know all the people. Environmental science would have to be my favorite so far. Because of the hands-on stuff that we do, it's not just learning from a book, it's not just reading from notes, it's learning about the environment by doing things with the environment. Just today, for example, we went out and we identified different species of trees. Even though it's February, we still found a way, we still took samples, and we still studied them, and so we got to learn a lot more in the field than we did in a high school class.
This is my first class teaching in the Accelerated Associate's Degree program, and it's quite a bit different from the traditional high school classes. This particular class is a 4-credit class. We do it in 9 weeks, and they meet extra 35 minutes every day for the lab component. It's much faster paced. The students are expected to be more analytical and more independent than the traditional high school student. One of the coolest things, in my opinion, that we've done so far is that Nahant Marsh has been collecting population studies on turtles for 5 years and bird surveys for 12 months, and they gave us their data, came in and told us how they collected their samples, and then my students analyzed those data for different questions. We've also gotten real live soil samples that we've played with and analyzed about what we need to do to the soil. Upcoming, we're going to be doing some water quality analysis at Goose Creek right up here by North High School and make some recommendations. We had a city planner come in, and they developed some redevelopment ideas on how to make some sustainable buildings and appeal to the younger population. So they're getting some real actual experiences. From the classes I've taught and from the different dual credit classes, I've seen students get interested in one partnered up with the environmentalist at Nahant Marsh to go into population studies. I've had others that want to go into radiology. I know that I have one right now that wants to be an anesthesiologist. You've also seen them, I had them in basic biology class, and I have them again now, and I can see the growth that they've had. They've matured, they're learning more analytical skills, they know their study habits a little better. It's a growth that you typically see as upperclassmen, and I think the Accelerated Associates program is forcing them to do that at a younger age, and you definitely can see an impact.
I'm Anthony DeSalvo.
And I'm McCreery, and it's a great day to be a Wildcat.